Given on this equation, um, it's a system of equation. The easiest way to start doing this question, we are going to consider the second part, uh, which is x plus y is equals to 3, and therefore we are going to make y the subject of the formula. So y will be equals to 3 minus x, and we are going to use this to make a substitution in the first equation. And therefore, after making the substitution, our equation, the first equation, would be written as 6x plus 6y. Now, instead of y, it's going to be plus 3 minus x, which is equals to 42. Now, we know 6 to power 3 minus x can also be written as 6 to power 3 divided by 6 to power x. And therefore, rewriting this one back to the first equation, we are going to get 6 to power x plus 6 to power 3 divided by 6 to power x is equals to 42. Now, we know 6 to power 3 is equals to 216. Therefore, the equation is going to be 6 to power x plus 216 divided by 6 to power x, which is equals to 42. Now, what we'll do to make this one easy, we are going to say let 6 to power x be equals to m. We just do substitution, and this substitution is very, very important to simplify our equation. Therefore, instead of 6 to power x, we are going to have m plus 216 divided by m, which is equals to 42. Getting rid of the denominator, we are going to have m squared plus 216 is equals to 42m. Now, clearly what you can see here, this is a quadratic equation. Now we need to reorganize this quadratic equation beginning with m squared. So we are going to have m squared minus 42m plus 216 is equals to 0. So we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. So the factors for two numbers that you can add to get negative 42, but you multiply, you get negative. So you get positive 216. They're actually negative 36 and negative 6. So therefore, we are going to have m squared minus 36m minus 6m plus 216 is equals to 0. And therefore, we are going to have m into brackets m minus 36. And then over here, we have minus 6 m minus 36 equals to 0. So, therefore, we are going to finally get m minus 6 and m minus 36, which means m1 and 2 will be equals to 6 and Now, we can replace back 6 to power x. So 6 to power x is equals to the first solution of m, which we got 6, and therefore 6 is just the same as 6 to power 1, and since the bases are the same, the first solution for x is equals to 1. Then the next one is for m2, then we can say 6 to power x is equals to 36, and 6 to power x is equals to 6 squared. Therefore, another solution for x is 2, because over here we have the same basis. Therefore, two solutions for x. X is equals to 1 and 2. Thank you for watching.